Hey girl, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Excuse my still very moist hair. I was actually just scrolling through my old photos in my phone and I found this look that I had did. This is actually just a perfect overall holiday look. It just screams fun and glam, but it's not like gonna take a million years and it's not super difficult. So if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So as always, I've done one eye off of camera. Just gonna clean this up a teensy bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one of these little things. Basically it's like tape. It's what I use it for because I don't have tape. Just stick it right where I want it to go. I'm gonna put it about right there. So the first color that we're starting with today is actually coming from my Modern Renaissance palette. This pink shade right here called Love Letter. Taking this on an S12 Morphe brush. I have done this look in the past, but I've just never filmed it. I was gonna do a totally different look, like I was going for a more like fuchsia pink, or not even fuchsia, but like a hot pink look. And I was gonna do like a glitter cut crease. But I actually let my sister borrow my glitter glue for a mermaid look that she did for Halloween. So I don't have my glitter glue with me. But this is actually one of my favorite looks that I have ever done. It's just so beautiful to me. I love this right here. This shadow gives me life. So once we've tapped that, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending it out. So I'm just gonna use circular motions and gently just kind of work along this harsh line here. I love this color. So pretty. And then I'm taking my handy dandy little dense brush here. This is a Morphe S11. And I just like to go back and make my edges really, excuse me, really seamless. This is one of my favorite brushes. So the next shade that we're going into is from my 39A palette. We're gonna dip into this deep dark purple right here. I'm gonna start at the corner of my eye and just kind of bring that into the crease. Drag it just about halfway along my lash line. I'm gonna drag that halfway across my lash line as well. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe 506, the Morphe M506, which this is another one of my favorite eyeshadow brushes. So I'm not really bringing this all the way to the inner corner. I'm just kind of stopping like 3/4 of the way. And I do have like a really light hand, like I'm almost barely touching my face. I did think about giving myself some purple eyebrows, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so now for the showstopper of this look, I'm gonna take the ColourPop Supernova Shadow. This is in the shade Moonlit, and I absolutely love it. It's so, so pretty. Let me show you. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna take the applicator and just kind of, oh, you know what? I put a little bit of concealer on this side, but that's okay. This I don't need it. Put a little bit on, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. Put a little bit more. And just kind of try to blend that. Doesn't really have to be, you know, like blended perfectly. I just don't want, you know, really harsh line or anything. Right here, just try to tap it. And that's it, y'all. That is it for the eyes. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, concealer, bronzer, all of that off of camera because nothing has changed since my last video. And then I'll come back and do my blush, highlight, finish off the eyes, and then we'll put on some lashes, and then we'll finish up this look. Yes, that's what I like to see, yes. I'm gonna go in with some blush. You guys already know I'm gonna be I'm gonna be using my Luminoso by Milani. I need to widen my blush game, but I just love this blush so much. It's so pretty. Look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Love to snatch the nose. Look at that. It's like a little cute. Look at my cheeks. Oh my god. There's no highlight on there. And then I'm going to go in with my Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. I'm just taking the same highlight on a smaller brush. Oh my gosh. I didn't do my under eyes. Oops. So before I continue, I'm probably gonna have to come back and add this again to my inner corners. I'll go back in with the S12 brush that I was using, and then with the same Love Letter shade from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just gonna start to buff that in. So what I'm kind of wanting to do now is create like another little, like kind of like a little line. So I'm just going to take an angled brush and that same shade, and then I'm just going to start like flicking this out. I'm just going to buff that out. I don't know if I like that now. Now that it's done, I'm like, girl, why'd you do that? Why'd I do that? How do I fix this, y'all? Or I like it like that. I like it when it's subtle like that, so. I'll actually keep that. I'm going to pick up the M506 and I'm going to go back in with the dark purple from the 39A. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop on some lashes off camera, and then when I come back, we'll see what we're gonna do about our lips. Alright guys, so I'm actually just gonna go in with a liquid suede cream lip from NYX. This is in the shade Sandstorm. This is what it looks like. I was gonna use the lip pencil to it. I thought that I had it, but I cannot find it. So I'm just gonna go straight in with this. Now I don't know if I'm gonna like this, so we're gonna see. It was just like the nudist thing that I had. I don't know, I'm not really liking this. So I'm gonna take it off. That did not work for me, so instead I'm gonna try this Tarte lip paint. It is a gloss though, so I don't know. I just feel like my skin is too dark for this. Like, no, this is not gonna work either. It's a hell no. Okay, I'm gonna try a pink one. I don't know how this is gonna go. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right there because I honestly just don't think I'm gonna be happy. I went in with this Revlon lipstick. It is in the shade Stormy Pink. I took that, which I'll actually show you what it looks like. It's a nice hot pink lipstick. I took that and then the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I put that over top. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even like this, so I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't do it. I thought I could, but I cannot. I'd rather just put on some chapstick and call it a day, because this makes me feel better about myself. You know, I feel more confident. I know that my lips, you know, I feel like they look nice. At least they're not chapped and crusty today, you guys. I've been trying my hardest to remember to put chapstick on them, and I've been trying even harder not to bite them or like lick them. It is a very, very hard and heavy habit that I have to both bite and lick my lips. Like, if you did in fact enjoy this pink purple vibe that I have going on today, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a slay with me. And I hope to see all of you guys back in my next video. Bye!